Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2006 32-foot Seacraft. The ultimate evolution of the Seacraft variable dead rise hull. This 32-foot center console was built to fish. Great layout. Factory T-top. Moving forward is the coffin box that opens up for fish catch or additional storage. More storage forward, a lot of index storage. Forward seating of the console lifts up to expose the head compartment. Moving aft, port side insulated cooler, starboard side live well, in-deck live well. Factory T-top has rocket launchers. Leaning post with storage below, rocket launchers of course. Extra wide seating again with storage below. Full featured helm featuring DTS controls, complete Furuno electronics package with 2 multifunction displays, overhead electronics box. It doesn't look it in this photo, but the hull is a very light pale blue. Very, very nice. Powered by a pair of 250 Verados with low hours. Be sure to see the full specs on our website, www.offshoreyachtsales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.